I have ChatGPT Pro Mode, and one of the comments on my latest video was from Spinoza. Spinoza wanted me to test the new ChatGPT Pro Mode, which is $200 a month, with this series of questions. We are in the ChatGPT O1 Pro Mode. Here are the questions. I'm going to click the button and see what we get. We're examining constraints, laying out the options, breaking down the RDAs, calculating weekly needs, figuring out weekly intakes. So it's doing a lot of thinking. It's going to take a minute. I'm thinking with a series of questions like this, Pro Mode will do pretty well, probably better than any other model that has been tested with these same series of questions. The formatting might be lacking because in Pro Mode, usually format is not its strong point. I'm thinking it's best for coding, programming, maybe math. This is related to those questions, so better at answering these than writing a story, which I have tested and I have not been that thrilled with. The Pro Mode takes a while to think, which is a drawback. On the upside, it should give a better, more reasoned answer. For my use cases, hasn't been that helpful, which is why I'm switching back to Plus. Okay, so Pro Mode for 3 minutes, 28 seconds. Here's what we got. We have all of this recommended daily intake for vitamins and minerals for a male over 50. I'm not a medical expert. I'm assuming ChatGPT isn't, so take all this with a grain of salt. Definitely check with an actual doctor if we're following any kind of dietary recommendation. But again, very detailed list. I don't know if this is accurate, but there's a lot of detail here. Check the accuracy for yourself. Like I said, look, the formatting isn't great. Not very happy with the formatting of this $200 per month mode, but it looked like it gave a pretty good answer. So we'll give a thumbs up for what it appears to be. This is a very powerful mode of ChatGPT. It can do all sorts of things. This could be helpful if you're writing a medical article or something about health. If you have a blog about health, if you're writing a novel with a character maybe takes vitamins, or maybe they're a doctor or a pharmacist, this could all be research for different types of writing. It's a unique use case. I hope you found it helpful. I have this Pro Mode for the rest of the month. Let me know if you want me to try anything else with it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video.